We are pleased to show you the 2021 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard four-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, trailering package, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.